This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So can you tell me what are the main differences between API and web service?
I think, did you mean about the RESTful API versus the SOAP API?
Yes.
Okay, well, both are the different. They're both actually the sending and the receiving the data. That's how it works. For my project, I'm actually heavily working on the RESTful API. REST work great on the web. Over 95% API control on the REST, and the REST is actually not the architectural, and the both actually have all the method are the same. REST is, for my knowledge, using on the client side, the mobile app, desktop app, and of course is written on the backend for the e-commerce application and all other application.